Hey friends, welcome back to another 2-minute tech video where I share you the most important tips and tricks about technology that you might not know, which would incredibly affect the productivity. Hey friends, my name is Kamran from KR7 Studio, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can group the similar tabs on the Chrome. Now this seems a lot easier and common, but a lot of people don't use it. Now let me show you what I'm talking about. So before I tell you how you do this, let me show you why is it important and where can you use it. So taking example of mine, I use this whenever I am either studying or either I'm coding. So this tip is very useful when you're studying or coding. So let's say I open up some bunch of Chrome tabs, all right? So let's say I open up YouTube, all right? I open up 3 YouTube tabs for different purposes, all right? I'll open more Google tabs, all right? I don't know, maybe I open up some Python docs for my project, all right? So this is kind of a mess. If you can see, there are a lot of tabs that are open, and it's kind of difficult when you open up more and more tabs. Now how does this work is, you simply go on to the tab, right click on it, and you say add to a new group, all right? Now you can select different colors if you want. So let's say it's YouTube that I want to put it, so I'll put red here and I'll just name it as YouTube, all right? Press enter and there you go. So you have one group created as YouTube. You can add all the similar groups into this thing, all right? And then when you click on this thing, YouTube, boom, it actually separates it all the way. Now you can do this for every single thing. Now see the difference. You can already see the difference. It looks so clean and clear. YouTube project studies. So every resources is divided, and whenever you want to go on to something particular, you can just click on it and it will expand itself, and then you can find what do you want. I usually use it when I'm of course studying or doing my project, because it becomes so much clutter and mess. So this is a very useful tip that you can use to actually effectively arrange all the tabs similar to it. That's it guys, that was it. That was the 2-minute tech video. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and comment down below if you're liking this series of 2-minute tech videos, and make sure you comment what more videos do you want to watch on this channel. My name is Kamran, this is KR7 Studio, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.